Everybody had an opinion, but a lot of people didn't even try it.
Yeah.
You know, so I said, well, I'll try it and then I'll have an opinion on it, and I love it. I felt better, I felt like I had more energy during the day. I never felt bloated ever again. The plant-based foods that I incorporated into my diet were mostly legumes. You know, they're just so satisfying. You can cook them up a million different ways. But I also love like the junk food side of being a vegetarian. You know, I still can get that greasy like burger. My mom makes an incredible lentil soup, but like with, you know, a lamb stock or a beef stock. And I said, well, why don't I just do the exact same thing just with the vegetable stock? It's just as good or, you know, or better. Don't tell my mom, mine's better.
Sometimes trying a new diet can be a bit challenging. What would be kind of your 1 or 2 top tips?
So the first one is do some research and see what's really right for you and your body. Don't go too extreme right away. And my second tip is just to get out there and explore what, you know, the city has to offer, because you'd be surprised, you know, about all the plant-based foods and restaurants out there. It changed the way I look at food, it changed the way I look at the environment, it changed the way I look at the planet and animals. It just snowballed from just an experiment to a lifestyle.